Hey there, John Morris here, johnmorrisonline.com. So real quick, hopefully you enjoyed the WordPress tutorial up to this point. If you'd like to finish building the WordPress plugin, you can take the full course. You can learn more about that at johnmorrisonline.com/WordPress. In that, we're going to go into things like enqueuing styles and scripts, creating the custom post type that we'll need. We're going to talk about the proper way to handle form submissions inside of WordPress, setting emails inside of WordPress, handling redirects. We're also going to add custom columns to the table in our custom post type sort of UI display and more. So if you'd like to get into all that and finish off the plugin, again, you can go to johnmorrisonline.com/WordPress to learn about the full course. And also be sure to use the coupon code YouTube at checkout for an additional 20% off the course. So again, the link to the full course is johnmorrisonline.com/WordPress and use the coupon code YouTube at checkout for 20% off the course. So again, thanks for watching the tutorial up to this point. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll see you over inside the full course.